Hello friends, how are things? Good. Today, fourth day. Any newcomers? Yeah. So please watch day 1, day 2, day 3 lessons. Others, do you remember the previous lessons? Okay. So tell me, first day. Did you study about who? Yes, we studied one boy, girl. Who are they? Good. Raj and Emily. Second day? Correct. Good. Third day? Excellent. You remember? Good. Yes. Day 1, day 2, day 3. Who's he? He's Raj. Who's she? She's Emily. Who's he? Good. Who's she? Good. Who's she? Very good. What's it? What's it? It's a house. What's it? What is it? What is it? What's it? What's it? It's a house. Good. What's it? Good. What's it? What's it? What's it? Good. Who's he? He's Raj. Who are they? Who are they? Who are they? They are people. 1, 2, 3. People. What's it? Okay. One, two, three, four. What are they? What are they? What are they? What are they? What's it? What's it? What's it? What are they? What are they? Who's he? Who's he? He's Raj. He's Raj. Do you remember? Good. He's Raj. Who is she? Good. Very good. Who are they? Who are they? They are people. Good. They. He. She. They. What's it? Good. What's it? Good. What are they? What are they? Very good. Copy down. Take your notebook. Notebook. Copy down. What's it? Chair. Furniture. 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 Living room, kitchen. There are many furniture. Furniture. 1 chair. 2 chairs. Furniture. No S. Remember. Copy down. Copy down. Question. Question. Exercise. Check your book. Do it now. Example. He. She. Good. Do it now. Check it. Check it with your answers. Correct it. Okay? Correct it? Good. Now, listen. Raj, Imli, they. Good. Now, Raj, Imli, and Gauri. I'm Gauri. I'm Gauri. I, Raj, Imli, and I. What? Raj, Imli, and I are teachers. Raj, Imli, and I. And I. Raj, Imli, and I are teachers. Raj, Imli, I. Raj, Imli, and I are teachers. Raj, Imli, and I studied together. Raj, Imli, and I are friends. Again. Raj, Imli, and I. Raj, Imli, and I. One word. We. Good. Raj, Imli, and I are teachers. We study together. We are friends. Okay? What's the word? We. Right. Now. What's this? I and you. Who are you? Who are you? You are my students. You are my students. You are my YouTube viewers. You are my YouTube viewers. You are my followers. You are my followers. Who are you? I and you. What's this? You. Okay. Copy down. Copy down. We. Raj, Emily and I. One word. One word. We. Okay. Right. He, she, it, I, you, we, they. What are these? What are these? Pronoun. Pronoun. What's pronoun? What's this? Raj? Noun. Noun. Okay. One word. For easy. Raj, Emily, and I. Again. We. We are teachers. We are friends. Okay? Pronoun. Copy down. Exercise. Do it now. Now. Check it with your answer. Correct it. Who are you? You write it. Example, I am a student. You write it. You're on. Okay? Homework. 7 pronoun. You have to write 3 sentences for 1 pronoun. How many sentences? 3. 3. Okay? 3 sentences for every pronoun. That's your homework. Thanks for watching. If you didn't subscribe my channel, please subscribe it and share it with your friends. Be an example.